Cut the tape and open the package. Rotary set, tool bag, holder, screwdriver, stud components, single step claws, measure tape, level, spare screws, service card, silicone studs, universal wheel holder. Lift the lid. Connect the base plate and secure it with screws. Note: max length is 116 mm and max diameter is 100 mm. Place the tumbler on the working panel. Ensure the engraving area is fully within Lumos working area. Once confirmed, place the rotary kit and check the installation position. Move the rotary kit to ensure its edge aligns with the white line. Secure the rotary kit with screws. Measure the tumbler's circumference. Install the studs and tighten them with a screwdriver. Insert the tumbler. Turn the pulley so that the studs stabilize the tumbler. Rotate the tumbler to ensure the mouth touches the base plate. Insert the rotary motor cable. Power on your Lumos. Insert the USB cable. Please visit WeCreate official website and download the version 3.0.5 or newer of Make It software to work with your Lumos Flex. Open the software and click New Project. Switch to USB connection from the drop-down list. Select cylindrical mode. Click Refresh. Manually turn the knob until the red and blue lights overlap. Once focus is successful, click Confirm. If the tumbler is not positioned in the center of the canvas, please don't worry, this is normal. We will continue to optimize this in future versions. Enter the circumference, do not exceed 314 millimeters. Search a design from library. Copy the design. Paste the design onto the canvas. Adjust the size and position of the design. Please ensure that the center of your design imported is aligned with the central axis. Choose your desired parameters from the matrix. Click Framing to check whether the blue dot movement matches the engraving area. Once confirmed, click 3D Preview for 3D Rotation Preview. Click Start. If no need to adjust, click Send. Short press the Start button to begin processing. Wow, a perfect piece is created. Multiple claw types support engraving cylinders in various ways.